Okay, 5 versatile expressions for business and everyday conversations. So these expressions are really useful in a wide variety of settings. So I advise you to try to learn 1 or 2 and try to put them into your conversations, and people will be very impressed. So let's go. The tip of the iceberg. So this is obviously when you see an iceberg, you only see the top part, but underneath there's a huge part. So if you say it's the tip of the iceberg, you're saying that we're only seeing a little of something. We don't have all of the information or the whole situation. Okay? For example, rising oil prices are only the tip of the iceberg. There are going to be more consequences of the war in Ukraine, for example. A drop in the ocean. This means that the action is only very small in comparison with the overall situation. For example, if a big company has to pay a fine of €1 million and that company is worth €1 billion, the 1 million is only a drop in the ocean. For them, it's not really going to have much of an effect. Or, for example, if you're talking about the environment, me recycling by myself is a drop in the ocean. It's not really going to have much of an effect. But if everybody decides to recycle or consume less, we will have a collective effect. There will be a bigger effect. But if it's only me, it's a drop in the ocean. Okay, the next one is, I can't see the wood for the trees. This expression, similar to the one in Spanish, means that I'm not objective, or I'm inside the situation, or I'm not seeing all of the parts. So maybe I'm not able to make a good decision. So for example, I can't see the wood for the trees. I can't find a proper solution. I need to bring someone from outside who's not involved to give me a more objective viewpoint, or maybe they will see a solution. Okay, so when you say that someone can't see the wood for the trees, they're not able to find a solution because they're inside the situation or they're not objective. The next one then we have is set alarm bells ringing. This means that something happens to make you afraid or worried about a situation. So, for example, again with the environment, that's our topic this week. Rising temperatures are setting alarm bells ringing in the scientific world. It's making us worried that global warming is happening, that we're seeing effects of pollution and things like that. So set alarm bells ringing. Or, for example, when he didn't answer the phone, it set alarm bells ringing and I began to worry. So the final one that we have today is kind of an obvious one, but it's very useful, especially in business. And a hot potato means a difficult situation. So we've got a hot potato in our company and we have to solve it quite quickly or pass it to another department. So it's that feeling of, or that's, you can imagine you have a hot potato, you want to get rid of that. You want to not have to hold that. So give it to someone else or solve it or whatever. So a hot potato. So I hope they were useful. If you would like your own free ebook, very practical step-by-step instructions on how to improve your English by yourself, click the link below and it will bring you straight there.